Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and believe me, you don't want to end up in the doghouse for getting it wrong again. So don't forget your chocolates and your flowers and the odd tasty treat too. Sorted. We can all stick our hands in our pockets to show how much we care. That's easy. But in actual fact, our loved ones are much more precious than a box of chocolates. So share the love a little this Valentine's Day and do one small thing to keep them safe. Test the smoke alarm. Test it for your partner. Test it for your mum. Even test it for your favourite pet. Test your smoke alarm for whoever you love. You're 4 times more likely to die in a fire where no smoke alarm is fitted. 1/4 of the homes in West Yorkshire where fires have broken out didn't have one. Get it sorted. Don't be the one left heartbroken.